I have reviewed robot vacuums for 7 years. And in those 7 years, I've learned a lot about how robot vacuums work. So because it's a holiday season, let's also do a ranking where we're going to talk about the robot vacuums in terms of best premium robot vacuum, best quality robot vacuum, and best value robot vacuum. And we're going to do it by price. So in terms of the best premium robot vacuum, I'm going to go as far to say it's going to be on the MOVA Z60. That is about $1,000. It's even like $900, I think, right now on Amazon. So it's very inexpensive for what you're getting. So I tested all of the premium hot robot vacuums to have come out in 2022, 23, 24, 25. So that means all your Dreames, your Eufys, your Roborocks, your Irobots, all of them. And what I've learned is that what we need to recognize is that robot vacuums have come so far that even the basic ones are already very, very good at what they do. So they're going to be able to clean your floors. They're going to avoid the obstacles. And for many of them, they come with self-empty stations that they can all find and empty themselves. So this is like the basics now. So these are no longer special features. What is a special feature is roller track mops, right? That's a special feature that comes with your MOVA Z60. It's going to come in with a roller mop, so it can behave and mop your floors like a wet dry vac can. It's going to have 28,000 Pascal suction, so it has immense suction power relative to other robot vacuums, even though those numbers are they're so big that you can't even believe it. Like 28,000 is so big. But it has a lot of suction power. It's going to weigh close to like 9 pounds. So it's going to be heavy. It's like a block that's just vacuuming your floors, putting a lot of pressure. And the overall performance here with this mapping navigation is going to be close to best in class. So what that means is that it can mop your floors, it can extract liquid, so it applies the most pressure on your floor, and the navigation can sense up to 200 obstacles. So you just put that together and then you get it for less than $1,000. That's going to be our best premium robot vacuum of 2025. But then if we go to our best quality robot vacuum, so that's going to be a robot vacuum that's going to be priced between $350 and $700, right? So I'm not making this expensive. So I know there's a lot of great robot vacuums that are going to be $700, $800. But for me, it's going to be on the Roborock Q-Revo 35A. Because as far as I can tell, I love my Roborock Q-Revo 35A. And it's because for the price you pay for it. I know it doesn't come with hot water washing and hot air drying, right? I know that. You're going to get, if you want hot water and you want that hot air drying, you're going to have to level up to about $500, $550 to the Q-Revo or maybe the Curve or the Dreame L40, right? But if you're looking for a really good deal, 8,000 Pascal, don't get confused because saying like, oh yeah, that unit has 12,000 Pascal. They all basically do about the same job. It is because the 35A for $350 is going to be the lowest price premium quality robot vacuum on the market. That means I'm not saying it's the same build quality, but the LiDAR, the navigation, the performance, it will mirror the $1,000 robot vacuum. So I've been saying that this is probably one of our favorite, if not our favorite, quality robot vacuum. It's only $350. Because if you talk to me about like, oh yeah, I can spend $800, yeah. And then if we go to the value, right? We're going to what's the best robot vacuum you can get for $250 or less? It's going to be on the Roborock Q7 M5. And that's easy because this Roborock is what I gave to my mom, right? And this is a thing that I do. And I share this story with many people, is that I review robot vacuums. So I could not give my mom the more advanced robot vacuums because it's going to be too complicated for her. She doesn't need the mopping on her floor, right? She has a lot of carpet on her floor or rug, so she doesn't need the mopping. So then I wanted to give her something that she can use, affordable, but that was low maintenance, she didn't have to worry about. And that ended up being this, which was the Roborock Q7 M5. So this is my mom's, and I let it vacuum, so you can see the path it takes to vacuum her floor. And she doesn't have a big apartment, but it finishes its job, right? It finishes its job. And if we go to look at how many times it's cleaned. Like, it always finishes its job. It does a good job. So everything you need, everything you were paying $1,000 for just 3-4 years ago, you get it for $200 today. The advanced LiDAR navigation, the laser navigation, you get all of that for $220, $200 today. So I've also reviewed a lot of these sub $250 robot vacuums, and it's just that the Roborock is giving you the navigation from their $800,000 robot vacuums, and they put it into this $200 unit. There's a lot of robot vacuums to pick from, and every holiday season, you're kind of trying to figure out which one is going to be the best for you. I say get the one that fits your budget, because at the end of the day, what you'll be most happy with is that you got a good value. And ultimately, there are so many robot vacuums to choose from this season that it is so hard to decide and pick one. But these are going to be my favorite choices, and I know that you might say, well, what about the Dreame L50S, or what about the Dreame or the MOVA P10? These are all pretty good robot vacuums. It's just that I'm basing it on price, value, as well as my personal experience utilizing each one. And if you're wondering why is there no iRobot on this list, well, for one, they didn't make it, but the second reason is I'm not sure they're going to be around much longer, because it's not that you just need the good robot vacuum, you need good product support after the fact. And for people like my mom, getting the $200 one works better for her than getting a $800 or $1,000 robot vacuum. If you have any interest in any of these robot vacuums, there's going to be links in the YouTube video, as well as links inside the description. So with that, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the box below, and please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help support our channel. And I'll catch you next time. This is Dave with the French Glow signing off. Bye, bye, bye.